Hello everyone. First is I introduce myself. My name is Malaya Otto from the SBM Tetusi. I am a group 4. I present my assigned topic is all about facilities and equipment of table tennis, the table, net, and playing area. The table, which may be made of any materials that produce a uniform bounce, is 9 feet long and 5 feet wide. The playing surface is 2.5 feet above the floor. The table surface may be dark green or blue. A white line must along each edge, forming two end lines and two side lines. The playing surface include the top edge only, not including the side below the edge. In double, a line at the center divides each end in two equal parts. This center line is regarded as a part of the right half of each end. The net is 6 feet long and the net complete length stands 6 inches high across the playing surface. It is attached to the net posts which are positioned at the middle of the side of the table. The minimum playing area is 40 feet long, 20 feet wide, and 11.5 feet high. The floor should be made of hard materials such as wood, concrete, or hard rubber with non-slippery surface. The table tennis equipment consisting of racket and paddle, table, ball, net and post, shoes, shirt, and short. And that's all, and thank you.